go with my serial number. My serial number is 15, name Mohammed Bilal, country Pakistan. And my company is Breathe.io. First of all, before I start, I want to thank you, the team of GSV, to having me on board and giving me a second chance to present what I'm doing. And Michael Moe, I want to dedicate to you something, one of my findings of my life. And that is, Michael Moe, faces can be forgotten, but names cannot. For they have a tendency of becoming legends. To be recognized as a legend, you have to save those that are bent on destroying you. And Michael, you're a legend, I say to you, because what you're doing is saving the world.
You're
So
awesome.
let's,
Too nice. Thank you.
you're welcome. You're awesome. That's the thing. That's why I'm awesome. So let's move on. My company is Breathe.io. Breathe.io is now just a product, and the whole company became just Planet IoT. So before we move on, I want to move with the team product paradox. This is a basic table that shows if a product is great and a team is weak, there's a very low success probability. But if there's a weak product and the team is great, the team somehow makes it into a high successful probability system. Now, once that is done, you get a great product, you get a great team, and then there's a highly, extremely chance of being successful. This is my team, and I'm honored to be it. I started alone, and as per the way these people joined me. So the problem that I'm addressing is the problem with technology today. It's not sustainable because we've got mobile phones, we got the mobile phone cover market, we got the mobile phone screen protector market, because the mobile phones are not sustainable. They break very easily. So the sustainability, we need optimization for the hardware, and optimization, we need connectivity, and the connectivity brings in security as an issue. Until unless we don't have these four things sorted out with any piece of hardware today, that I would say we won't have the deep insights to optimize that thing. So my solution to this problem is I've engineered a black box. It's not some rocket science or something. It's a black box that monitors, collect data for any hardware, and it allows you to control the device manually or based on the data. So once the device is controlled based on the data, it becomes an artificial intelligent device. So what is the black box? A black box is just a microchip with any sensor attached to it. It connects to the internet, and it goes through the Amazon cloud and does all the deep learning, and it displays the data to the end user, and it allows the user to control that specific legacy hardware as well. So what we want to do with this black box is create products that incline the environment for the well-being and longevity of human life on Earth, courtesy Dr. Anil Mishra. One of the product that I've made using this black box is an air purifier. So what I took is I took an legacy air purifier, attached my black box, and I had my own product. That's a smart air purifier that's able to monitor and control the environment around you as well. So the pricing for this air purifier, specifically one case, it's $70. You get one monitor, the complete device with the filtration system, a filter, and a year of subscription. I went to Amazon, searched top 10 air purifiers with the highest ratings, and I came up with this graph. My price is lowest in what I'm offering. No other air purifier is offering, even the air purifiers that are like $483. So how big is my market? According to NASDAQ 2018 air purification market, $7.15. 2.8 times growth. By 2027, it's going to be $20 billion market. So that's my black box just attached to one element of the earth, that's air. And if we go by the WHO facts, right now, 7 billion people, the total world population is 7.8, and 7 billion people live in conditions where the air quality is not as per desired, which results in 8 million deaths a year. So what I do is I take 20% of the 7 billion people, that becomes 1.4 billion people, because marketing yourself to 7 billion people, practically, I don't find that feasible. But marketing yourself with my current resources to 1.4 billion people, that's quite feasible. So my target sales are, if I'm able to sell 700,000 devices to 1.4 billion people in 5 years, it gives up a 50 million revenue. And my project is at this stage. We're at the production stage. I've done the technology, I've done the hardware, I've done the cloud and everything else. Right now we're trying to get the plastic injection mold developed. We got packing done, and then we'll be able to serve to our customers. I did a basic Facebook campaign, $15, nothing more, and I got 200 free orders for my air purifier. So it's just $15 spent. So that gives my customer acquisition to in $1, I can get 13 customers. That's just the Pakistani market. So my ask is, ask is divided into 4 components. Initially, I need 9,000 to get the plastic injection mold done. Once that is done, I need 4,000 for the packaging, and then 8,000 to get the stock. And then 5,000 is more than enough based on the market for marketing. And the cool thing about is, what I've done is I've taken the black box and I've merged it to the electrical component that allows me to monitor batteries as well. So in this amount, what I'll be able to do, I'll be able to market 2 products rather than 1 product in 4 months. And yeah, that's the whole idea behind it.